Welcome to Narisaki, and today let's make jackfruit sabji, very healthy and tasty. So here I have jackfruit which I have cleaned, and I'm going to cut it into strips. And you can also use the knife, but they're very soft. So cut into strips, and now for the spices, add green chilies and dry coriander seeds, and I'm going to just grind it to a coarse paste. And if you want, you can add a little bit of water, not too much, but I didn't add water, so it's a coarse one. Now let's do seasoning. For this, I've taken oil. You can take coconut oil. Coconut oil tastes good. Add mustard seeds. Once they start spluttering, add cumin seeds, a pinch of asafoetida, and the spice mix which you have made from green chilies and the jackfruit pieces. And we're going to stir this and keep the flame on low. We're going to stir it for 2 to 3 minutes so that all the jackfruit gets coated with the spices. Add some salt to taste and mixed well. And I'm going to add a little bit of turmeric. Turmeric gives a nice color and it's also good for health. Stir it very nicely. And if the jackfruit is very juicy, then you don't need to add water. Otherwise, add just 2 to 3 tablespoons of water because you don't want it to be mushy. Cover it, and this is how my mom is to cook it. Cover it and place water on top of it. So this is after 4 to 5 minutes. It takes about 10 minutes to cook this, so you don't want it to be mushy. You want the jackfruit to be cooked, and the strips should be full and not mashed up. So now I'm going to cook it for another 5 minutes, and let's check. And it's cooked and there is no water. This is a very dry sabji, so you don't keep any water. Now I'm going to add a fresh grated coconut, and it's optional. Stir it very nicely, and we are going to cover it and cook only for 2 minutes more, so that coconut gets mixed very well, all the flavors of coconut. So the jackfruit sabji is ready, and it's not mushy, so it's cooked perfectly. It's ready to be served. You can serve this with roti, rice. It just tastes yummy. Do try this and let me know if you have any questions or comments. Please subscribe Nari Seki for more videos. Thank you.